A judge with the Steuben County Supreme Court has issued a ruling in the case of Sheriff James Allard versus the county. The court case would decide whether or not to remove the sheriff's indemnification.
And WENY's Lindsay Madison has been following this case from the very beginning. Lindsay joins us live from the Public Safety Building in Bath with the outcome, the decision from the court. Lindsay?
Yeah, Nick and Renata, the decision came down yesterday, and it was in Sheriff Jim Allard's favor. Now, the judge decided that the local law to strip Sheriff Allard of his indemnification was unlawful.
The legal battle between Sheriff Jim Allard and the county stems back to September of 2023, when the legislature voted to repeal the defense and indemnification for the sheriff. Then, a couple of months later in November of 2023, the legislature rescinded the resolution that would have made Sheriff Allard get his own liability insurance. And now, after over a year working its way through court, the judge in the case ruled in favor of Sheriff Allard. Allard said he believes justice has been served, but at a cost.
This is something that never needed to happen and obviously never should have happened. And to tie up a county government for a full year and all of the resources that were used to try and force this action on me, it's just so disappointing to see that kind of mismanagement at the county level.
Sheriff Allard says this legal battle has cost county taxpayers nearly $200,000. According to court documents, the court deemed that the local law to strip the sheriff of his indemnification was done so unlawfully. The documents also state that the local law cannot be put into effect unless the legislature has factual reasonings behind it. Sheriff Allard says moving forward, he looks forward to working with the legislature in the future.
So, as far as moving forward, I'm all about moving forward and working together. Only when we work together does government work. But I spent the last year being attacked at every turn by certain members of this administration, and that has to end.
Now, I reached out to Steuben County Manager Jack Wheeler, and he gave us a brief comment that reads, Steuben County is certainly aware of the decision handed down yesterday and are currently evaluating our next steps. Reporting live from Bath, Lindsay Madison, WENY News.